Hi dear everyone, welcome to back my another video of YouTube channel Be Smart Insight, where you'll get all kinds of new technology, method, tips of system and networks. Today I will demonstrate how to remove or clean Kaise file, temp file, junk file of systems and laptops. Now we are currently exploring various methods. First method, we navigate some option. Begin to initiate the process, click on the start button or start menu. Go to the setting option. Here you can see the several option is displayed. I'm just gonna with the option system. Here the storage section is on left sides. Just click on this option, storage option. Here the storage option or interface, you just click on this temporary file option. Here various temporary file option will be displayed. To eliminate the desired files, simply select the corresponding checkbox buttons. After the check the option, just click on the remove file. The file will be deleted immediately. This is the first method if you want to remove the temporary files. And I'm gonna next second way is we are navigate some option. Here just you click on address bar, type here disk clean, disk and clean. The suggestion option is here. Just click on this option on run as administrator mode. Here the pop-up disk clean pop-up in C drive. Just click here the temp file option here. If you want to remove the temp file, just click OK. After OK the option, the file will deleted permanently, temp files. You can access on this way. You can another way is available. If you want to access this way, just Windows key press with along the R run box. Just click, type here clean MGR manager. You can access the disk link for C drive pop-up. There are two ways. The next method is we are using the command on command platform to remove the junk file or temp file, whatever be. Just pressing the combination key Windows along with R button. Now here just put inside the command cmd. Hit the enter. Now the command platform is appeared. Now you put in command inside it del slash q slash f slash s slash s here percentage temp, again closing the percentage. If you hit here enter button, now the remove file will be deleted. This is the way. And the fourth way is there are some commands applying on run box. Number one is here temp, type temp. This command using for remove the temp file. Here if you want to delete the all temp file, select all and using the delete button you can remove the all temp file. This is the command file. This is the command. Just hit the enter, you can remove the temp files. And the fifth method is clean the browser history or temp files. This is the browser, Chrome browser. Just go to the setting option here, click the setting option, and again go with the privacy security option here, the browsing data here, temp data here. Just click this option here. There are several options here. If you want to remove all things, so you select the all times option, then click on delete buttons. If you pressing the delete button, the whole data, temp data browser will be removed immediately. This is the way. And the last way is some temporary data or junk files stored in network sections. If you want to remove the network temp files, just go to the control panel, click on control panel option, go to this option, network and internet setting, click on this option again. Now here the option is internet option, just click on it. Here the temp data networks pop up here, just click delete button. You can remove all the network temp files. This is the way you can remove all temp files of system and networks and laptop also. Yes, that covers everything about opening the on-screen keyboard. Thank you for watching, and please never forget to subscribe, share and comments. I will be back with more tips and tricks. Thanks lots.